You got about 15 more minutes of my time because I'm busy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire, and today I'm going to talk about being busy. Because I noticed that I've been busy. Yeah, I've been busy doing a whole lot of things. Look, a whole lot of everything and nothing, right? So I'm at that point where I feel like I really just need to just not be so busy. Not chasing something. I don't know. I feel like I've just been busy. And busy to me used to mean something. It used to mean important, I think. It used to mean giving something to society, giving something to myself, building a legacy, all of those things, right? Busy, just busy, busy, busy. And as I gotten older, being busy is not as important as quality relationships, memories, and even, guys, even on vacation, busy. Just busy being busy. I noticed that. And it's like, oh gosh, I can't get this camera right. But anyway, it's like now I'm like, ooh, Jay, you've been busy. Like I hit the ground like, it's like I came out busy. And I'm not sure that's always a good thing. I think that when people come to know me, you know, they like that aspect of me, but it's like that same aspect of me that kind of kills me. That kind of kills things because I'm like busy, too busy. So now, anyway, I ended up, shoot, I've been in school, guys, since 1996. I've been in school until 2010. So I guess I've been kind of still busy though since then. Just like, oh my God, once I got my doctorate, it just got even busier because the doors of life seemed like the life I was seeking kind of opened up. But the busy just kind of noticing that I've missed a lot, even during the things I was doing. The experiences I was having, I've missed some things. I've missed some memories. Like, there are some things that people say to me like, oh girl, you remember when we did X, Y, and Z? And it's like, oh wow, we actually did that. We actually did that thing. And as I sit back more now with my meditation and my sitting still and my being still and not doing as much, some of those memories and thoughts are coming back, and I just kind of am mentally beating myself up a little bit because I feel like I've been busy to be busy. And now I'm still I was gonna say now I'm not, right? If you don't know me and you look at me now, you're like, girl, you're still busy. Yeah, I'm busy, but I'm busy with a purpose. It's a different kind of busy. And this video really is just a rant, I guess, about being busy for no reason, because sometimes we get in, okay, I can't speak for you. I'm gonna speak for me. Sometimes I get in the mindset of busy means production. Busy means I'm a status. Busy means I'm busy. Like, oh, she's busy. Girl, please sit down somewhere. Because being busy, okay, it's not all that it's cracked up to be. Being present is so much more important. Even when you're busy. That's what I'm finding as I get older. That being present in the moment is the secret sauce. Like, I used to host parties at my house all the time, but I was so busy in the kitchen, entertaining, doing, you know, showing that I'm busy serving, right? And by the time everybody was gone at the end of the night, I'm like, that wasn't as fun as I wanted it to be. I was just too busy and couldn't be in the moment. Even though I've had amazing fun, it's just the being present. So everything I do now, even in relationships, I'm present. I'm even when I know something is on my calendar and it's about to switch over to the next thing that I need to do, because y'all know what gets planned gets done in my life, I'm still present. Whereas before, it was like, okay, you got about 15 more minutes of my time because I'm busy, right? So now, I think I'm saying all this to you to say this. Even though we find ourselves busy in life, take a moment to be present and enjoy the life that you've created. And I'm telling that to myself too, because I'm always thinking about my kids, my legacy, what I'm going to leave behind. And darn it, I'm going to leave it behind. But I do need to enjoy some of it. So yeah, I'm just, I'm enjoying that. So I'm home more. The relationships that I have with friends, family, my kids, I'm more present and intentional about the moment and remembering and savoring that moment. And I hope that for you too. So yeah, being busy is a little overrated. A lot of overrated on this side of life. But that's really all, you guys, that I wanted to say. And that this year is going to be very, very prosperous, very, very, it's going to be complete. It's going to be an intentional year. It's going to be exclusive to the people that are in my inner circle. And I think that's going to make it just so sweet. So sweet. So I'm looking forward to it. And it is still the first month of the year, but it's good. It's good. And I'm looking forward to it. And I hope that you hang around and see some of it, because it's going to be great. I thank you all for watching. Thank you for allowing me to share my thoughts with you on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you like the channel, like the video. If not, scroll through some of my videos. I'm sure there's something you can find that you might like. Anyway, take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now. Have a great day.